मैं तो आरती उतारू रे संतोषी माता की. Welcome to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. How are you doing today? I really hope you all are doing well. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button. Navratri season is approaching and lot of people, including my mother, they fast for all 9 days. And to when you fast for so many days, you really need nice munchies to eat for all 9 days. So we are going to make nylon sabudana chura, and this packet I got from Indian grocery store. It's little bit bigger than normal sabudana, you can see it. So I've taken 1 cup of sabudana. I've taken the half or more than half cup of these are roasted peanuts. Here I have taken sugar, some jeera, salt and some green chilies, and we are going to make it in microwave. So this is 1 cup of sabudana and I'm going to microwave it on high for 2 minutes. You can see I have put every pearl separated, so it's easier for it to pop. It pops just like our popcorns. So let's go. If you observe, I did not put any oil in it, so it's going to be really healthy. So I'm putting it for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, you can see lot of them, they have popped. I'm going to keep it for 30 seconds more and let's see. So in total it took us 3 minutes and you can see they have almost doubled in size, and if you can see they are perfectly crisp. They are crunchy and crispy. So now what we are going to do is we are going to take it in a bowl and we are going to add some sugar. It's around half a teaspoon, and some salt. Of course, salt to taste. Now these are the peanuts which I had roasted in microwave, and few of them they are from air fryer. I will put the link in the description box for this also. So up till now we have not added any oil in it, so we are just going to put jeera and the green chilies in the tempering. I have kept 2 teaspoons of oil on the gas, so I'm just going to give tempering. So here it is hot oil. I'm adding jeera and green chilies. You can take ghee if you want, but I prefer oil today. So I'm just going to pour it on our chura. You can definitely make it the more traditional way, and that is by frying the sabudana, frying the peanuts, but this is definitely healthier way of making this chura. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in microwave for another minute, so the sugar and the salt will be absorbed nicely by this sabudana. So after 1 minute, our quick and healthy and easy chura is ready. You can just let it cool for some time and then put it in any airtight container. So if you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. Also, there are more chivda recipes on my channel. Please go through them also. I will put the link in the description box below. So signing off for today. Happy cooking. Bye bye.